Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add and insert text comment in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select this tools option. Now select this comment option. Now click on this sticky note option and put your sticky note anywhere and click right button for properties and click this appearance option, and here you will find this insert text option. I'll say in this color, it's gray color. Now select OK and see this. Now click this comment box, three dot option, edit. Now type here your text. Copy this text. Type text here and select post and see this insert text comment showing here. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.